Bitcoin, possibly the rarest digital asset that you guys can obtain right now. But how exactly do you get into the crypto space without having to invest thousands upon thousands of dollars into GPUs or ASIC miners just to get a little bit of Bitcoin? Well, today guys, I'll be guiding you through Cryptotab, which is an app that allows you guys to actually obtain Bitcoin using nothing but your smartphone. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. Okay, so how exactly do you use Cryptotab? It's so simple. Once you guys have it downloaded and set up, all you have to do is click one button, then do a quick human verification, and off you go. Now there was a little bit more to it than just, downloading an app and then clicking the check-in every 3 hours. So let's actually get into the plans, guys. So basically what I use is Cryptotab Pro. So guys, basically on the Play Store, you guys will find a Cryptotab app that is free and one that's roughly around $2 to $3 depending on where you live. Now the difference between the two, if you guys don't already know, the free version allows you guys to, use Cryptotab as usual. However, you guys have to check in every 2 hours, I believe. However, with Cryptotab Pro, you guys are able to check in only after 3 hours. So that means you guys need to check in less oftenly. Now personally, for me, with the amount of phones I have going on Cryptotab, it is definitely worth it because I'd rather not check it every 2 hours. I click it roughly around 3 times a day. So basically Cryptotab is running for 9 hours every day. Now before you click off and actually start downloading Cryptotab Pro or Cryptotab by itself, it really doesn't matter, up to you guys. But either ways guys, make sure you stay tuned because I'm about to show you guys, if you are going to purchase Cryptotab Pro, how you guys can purchase it once and have it across your entire phone farm. Okay guys, here's the trick. It's actually very simple. So if you guys are following along, you guys can see this account right here does not have Cryptotab Pro, and now you guys can pick it up for roughly $1.49 USD, I believe. So to save you guys some money, so you guys don't actually go ahead and purchase $1.49 across every single phone, all you guys have to do is actually very simple. It's a little bit more work, but you purchase it once on one account right here. Next, you go over to your phones and you actually sign into the same account right here. I'll also show you guys another benefit of having one account across the entire phone farm. Keep in mind this is a secondary account, so you guys should still have one account per phone with an addition of one extra one like this. Now as you guys can see right here, I have literally all my phones linked up to this one account right here, which all of them have Cryptotab Pro already downloaded on them. So there you go guys, that is exactly how you can actually purchase Cryptotab once and have it across your entire phone farm. Okay, so now that you guys actually have Cryptotab on your device, you guys are probably wondering, should I increase my mining rate? And yes, you can technically do that through buying Cloud Boost, but guys, I want to just warn you guys right now, if you guys are new to Cryptotab, previously I have been banned by Cryptotab and all those phones were on Cloud Boost, which by the way costs money to actually purchase, and the higher the boost, the more money it will cost. Now currently, if you guys are so inclined to actually purchase a boost, the only ones that are actually profitable is basically the 12-month subscriptions. Now my personal advice guys is please do not put over $100 into Cryptotab. I made that mistake already and they banned my account and I lost every single dollar I put in there before I could even make it back. So like I said, if you guys seriously want to get some Cloud Boost, your best bet is to actually purchase the 2 times. That way if they do ban you, it's not the end of the world. It's like 25 bucks Canadian, $26 to be exact. But yeah guys, let's do some math right here and you guys can see how much you guys will actually earn per device right now. Okay guys, so right now I'm just gonna put this out there. Basically every time that you check in, you guys will get 3 cents, aka 1 cent per hour that Cryptotab is running for. Now let's just say you guys check up on Cryptotab 3 times a day like I do. That is very doable. So you guys will be making roughly 9 cents every single day on each device. Now multiply that by 30 to get your monthly income, times that by 12 to get your yearly. So every device will earn $32.40 worth of Bitcoin, obviously, assuming the price stays the same. And yes guys, this is basically without Cloud Boost. So this is if you were to just run it like I am right now. However guys, if you do purchase Cloud Boost, let's just say the 2 times, then you guys will get $64.80 per year. Now if you guys go ahead and actually subtract the cost for the plan or subscription, same thing, this is what you guys will be ending up with. Now if we go ahead and actually take the difference between the subscription versus the free version, you guys can see you will make $6.41 more than you guys would if you weren't to purchase Cloud Boost. Is that worth it? I'll let you guys decide. I mean, I'm not going to tell you guys that it isn't, because profit is profit, but just keep in mind that you guys can risk getting banned and losing your $26 before you can even make any money back. So guys, the estimated earnings for Cryptotab, basically guys, if you're running the free version, you guys will make $32.40 per device every single year. Now if you have a phone farm of 50 phones, then that will actually add up to $1,620 at the end of the year. However, if you guys were to purchase the 2 times Cloud Boost right now, you guys will end up at the end of the year with $1,940 in profit after paying all the fees for the subscription. Right guys, so the redemption process, how exactly do we do this? Well guys, I send every single payment for each and every account. By the way, I have one account for each device on Cryptotab. But yeah guys, I send every single payment to one singular Coinbase account. Now so far it's been working alright for me. I will update you guys if anything changes. But anyways guys, remember earlier how I explained that having one Gmail account across your entire phone farm will help you guys out? Initially, that is, with Cryptotab. Well guys, whenever you withdraw at the very beginning, it will require you guys to actually enter your Bitcoin address, which it will actually save for you afterwards, so that will be a lot more convenient after you redeemed it the first time. So the account right here that you guys are looking at doesn't have any redemptions on it just quite yet. But guys, basically what I actually do is go over to Coinbase, copy the Bitcoin address as you guys can see, and what I do is literally just take that address and I send it out as an email just to that one account. That way all the phones are able to receive it, and all I have to do is copy and paste in the exact address like so. So yeah guys, that is a cool trick that I use to be able to redeem across all my phones. So that's how you can avoid sending out this Bitcoin address to basically 50 different Gmail accounts. So yeah guys, the redemption process is very simple. I don't have any real schedule for it. I guess I do it once a month, but sometimes if I'm lazy, I can't just leave it, and it really just stays in Bitcoin anyway. So yeah guys, basically the actual balance here is in BTC, meaning as the price goes up or down, your actual account balance will also fluctuate. So Cryptotab pretty much acts like an actual wallet, but if you guys do want to take it out as cash, I would recommend withdrawing. And as you guys can see, all we have to do is click withdraw, confirm the withdrawal on our email, and bam, there we go guys. That's all there is to it. And there you go, after confirming the withdrawal on the email, you guys can see we will be receiving this amount of Bitcoin to our address right here. Now Cryptotab claims that it usually takes around 1 business day to get it to your wallet, and I have seen that before, but guys, don't panic if you don't see it there. Sometimes it does take a little longer. I've had my payment come in like 3 days after I withdraw, even up to 5 days, so give it some time guys. But yeah guys, they pay relatively fast, so that's also a plus side with Cryptotab. Also guys, if you haven't already, join up the Discord server. Link will be in the description for you guys as always. Now over there we talk about phone farming, money making methods. So if you guys are into that sort of thing, then make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. Also guys, while you're at it, subscribe to the channel because that's what we're here for. Money making methods and passive income, all that good stuff. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I'll see you guys on the next one. Check out this video on screen right now for more money making ways, and I'll see you guys over there. Thanks so very much for watching. Peace out for now.